It looks like we have an early Christmas this year. Welcome to another Spare Tire channel. So I had all the dashboard lights lit on, everything but the check engine light. While I've been driving on a highway, I felt a little slippage in the engine and the lights went off. And when I was applying the brake, my ABS continued to work regardless to the speed I've been driving. I bought the new wheel speed sensors and the problem was still there. After further investigation, we decided to change the wheel hub assembly or wheel bearing. All the lights that went off were connected to that issue, so the car was very confused. After we finished the work, we connected the car to the OBD, checked all the faults, and of course clear all the faults. After that, car was happy. Thanks for watching, and I hope I helped you a bit.